Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to apply filters in Pyspark. So we'll see how to apply single filter, multiple filters, or in and not in operators. Also we will see how to check our data frame count, and we will see how to sort our data frames based on the columns. So let's jump into the practicals. Here we have a data frame DF. It has 8 columns and 14 records. Now let's see how many records this data frame contains by applying simply count function. See here, this data frame has 14 records. Now let's say, for example, I want to display department number 30 records only. So the employee who belongs to department number 30, I want to display that particular department records. So to apply this filter, first we are going to take the data frame and apply filter. Then we are going to take the respective column name equal to the value which we need to provide here. So, and after that, to display our records, we are going to apply show. So just try to execute this command. And if you can see here, this is going to display only department number 30 records. Let's say you want to display other than department number 30. For that, we are going to apply not equal to operator. Now, just try to execute this one. That will display employees who does not belongs to 30th department. Now, let's have a scenario. Instead of displaying the records, you want to display only the count. So to do that, instead of show here, we just place count here. That will go ahead and display the number of records which are other than 30th department. Now let's have one more scenario. I want to display the employees who belongs to department number 30 or job equal to clerk. So this is going to have two scenarios that can display department number 30 employees or is going to display job equal to clerk. It can show both the employees. So now let's try to execute this one. See here, now it is displaying 38 department employees and the employees who has job as clerk. See here, who are belongs to 20th or 10th department. Now let's say, for example, I want to display the employees who belongs to 38th department number and job equal to clerk. In this case, we want the filter condition is going to be AND condition. Means it has to satisfy first condition and it has to satisfy second condition. But in this case, it has to satisfy either of the condition and it can display both the records. So let's go ahead and display this one. See, there are only one employee who belongs to 38 department number and his job is clerk. Now, let's have one more scenario by applying filter. Now I want to display the employees who job in clerk or president. So to do that, we are going to apply the filter job apply in operator. Inside the in, we are going to pass the required strings. That means required job value. Let's go and execute this one. Right. This can display the employees whose job is clerk or president. Now I want to display the employees' jobs are not in clerk or president. That means other than clerk or president. For that, you just need to apply not in operator here. See here, now it is going to display the employee's job not belongs to clerk or president. See here, you do not see those two jobs here. Now let's see how we are going to sort the data in Pyspark. So here I'm going to take a new data frame and I'm applying a cast of integer for the salary to get the matching exact values. So here I'm going to apply order by. Here we're going to apply order by on sal column. So for that we're going to apply order by sal dot show. So let's have a look at this one. See, that is going to displaying the records in ascending order. If you can see salary here 800, 950, 1100. Now you want to tell Spark explicitly we want to display in descending order. So to do that, we are going to say to the Spark order by salary ascending equal to false. That can display in descending order. See here. Now it got in descending order. Now let's say, for example, you want to apply order by on multiple columns. So for that, you just separate the column by comma and apply n number of columns here. Let's try to execute this one. See here. That is going to first sort by salary, then it is going to sort by department number, like this. So this is how we are going to check the count, apply the multiple filters, and how to apply sorting on data frames. Thank you guys.